Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. From the highest to the lowest vibrations, experience the sacred formulas that you use. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Don't just look at the subject without the context and object of deeds judged. Any type of education can lead to God and is perfected when its purpose is for God. Souls are beyond favorable and unfavorable conditions. Peace comes by control of the mind and senses. We thank God for the ability to do good. In the sent one of the Supreme Personality of God is the way to all tests and tastes. Repentance and severe austerities may be needed to put God in the right place in your life. Types of senses are interchangeable or transformative. Spiritual practice builds self-awareness in even parts that seem not to mention the self. Spiritual progress is advancing mentality and physicality. The way of the believers should be connected to the revelation and inspiration. It is better to be the least being in the house of devotion than the greatest creation elsewhere. Desire only what you deserve. Work on rounded thinking. People will be made to acknowledge personal and universal truths upon death, whether they want to or not. When we're without an ideal status in life, our work is not done if we are alive. And, well, we shouldn't limit things to such things. If we have our spirit, I left out words to that, I'm sure, but we don't need our spirit, what we considered ideals, to do our real work. Our real work is based on what we have. We are not to become without qualities, but are to become without secular life. Are you a dog, camel, cow, hog, or donkey? And if so, how are you such? Those who become of God are not subject to further births and deaths, if maintaining that until their body dies. Nature punishes those who do act as if there is no God, and tests those who do. God controls the birth, death, and provision. To suppress nature, it will have it come out in another way. They who they who try to suppress nature, but Saudarya samprasna samartha varteya matracha matarshvasrbdes cha sadaram datam saparyam varam asannam cha sanadata Petra pratinandeta sati. And regardless of who receives us, it's not the reception and the gifts that should be without the regard to the welfare of the greeted. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attractive, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.